Hi, Ellie here. This video provides advice on turning your pizza during the cooking process. Turning your pizza will ensure even cooking and browning, especially if your oven has hot spots or uneven heat areas. The number of times you should turn the pizza depends on various factors such as the type of oven, the thickness of the crust and dough, the toppings, and your personal preference. Here are a few methods along with their benefits and disadvantages. The no-turn method, my favourite. But this is the simplest way to cook pizza and requires little monitoring. It's suitable for thin crust pizzas or pizzas with delicate toppings that may get disrupted if turned frequently. In fact, it can be for any pizza. But the Ninja 8-in-1 Woodfire electric outdoor oven can cook pizza without the need to turn it. Just launch the pizza into the oven, shut the door for a minute or two, and your pizza is ready. The even heat on the stone and around the oven provides a great pizza cook with little effort. Definitely the easiest pizza oven I've ever used. Then there's the one-turn pizza ovens. Some ovens can cook pizza just using one turn. I've been able to cook pizza in the electric Ooni Volt 12 with just one turn of the pizza, as the fan spreads the heat around the oven for a more even cook. Turning the pizza once halfway through the cooking time helps ensure even browning on both sides. It's a good balance between easy cooking and evenly cooked pizza. You may still have the risk of uneven cooking, especially if the pizza is thick or if the toppings are heavy, so timing the turn correctly is important to avoid undercooking or overcooking on one side. Turning the pizza multiple times can result in the most even cooking too. This method is particularly useful for thick crust pizzas or pizzas with heavy toppings, or for ovens that have an uneven heat distribution on both the stone and the inside of the oven. I need to turn the pizza multiple times in the Koda 12, the Rockbox, and all the wood-fired pizza ovens such as the Fire 12 and the Crew 12G and the Crew 12. However, I usually turn the pizza less in the Koda 16 because it has a gas flame on two sides of the oven, so that normally takes about 2 to 3 turns. These real flame ovens require more attention and effort, as you will need to monitor when to turn the pizza. That's in comparison to the electric ovens. In a high heat oven, turning the pizza may be necessary to prevent one side from burning while the other remains undercooked. The intense heat can cause rapid browning or burning, so turning helps ensure that both sides of the pizza cook evenly. The stone temperature may be uneven too, with hotter spots on the stone, and this can occur due to the oven's heating elements or the way the stone absorbs and distributes heat. Turning the pizza helps produce an even base cook. It allows the base to crisp up all round. And it helps ensure that all the toppings cook evenly. And this prevents some toppings from burning while others remain undercooked. If you were using a pizza oven with a door, opening the oven door frequently to turn the pizza can cause heat loss and impact the overall cooking time and process. It may be challenging to rotate the pizza smoothly, especially if it's large or heavy, and that's why it's important to invest in a lightweight pizza peel. There are many types of pizza peels available, and for further information on pizza peels, please check out the pizza peel videos in the links at the end of this video. The benefits of turning a pizza during cooking include more even browning, better crust development, and ensures all toppings cook at the same time. However, the disadvantages include the need for more attention and potential heat loss from opening the oven frequently. The best method depends on factors such as the type of oven, the type of pizza, the personal preference for crust, texture, and toppings. And you will need to experiment with a style and method that works best for you. If the stone temperature is even and high enough, turning the pizza may not be necessary or may have minimal impact. The high heat from the stone ensures that the bottom of the pizza cooks evenly. For example, the Ooni Volt 12 has the option to boost the stone whilst cooking. It also has adjustable heat dial settings that provide more heat to the top of the oven or to the base when required. A lower stone temperature allows more gradual cook, which can be great for certain types of pizza crusts, such as thicker ones or those with delicate toppings. When the stone temperature is lower, turning the pizza becomes more critical if the heat above is uneven. Since the heat transfer from the stone may be less intense, turning helps ensure that both sides of the crust cook evenly and achieve the desired level of browning, whilst the base cooks slower. So the temperature of the pizza stone affects how the pizza cooks, and consequently how turning the pizza impacts its cooking process. A small flame produces a gentle heat, which can be great for more delicate toppings or thinner crusts. It gives a more gradual cook, reducing the risk of burning. With a small flame, turning the pizza is also important. Although the heat transfer may be less intense, turning still helps ensure that all sides of the pizza cook evenly and achieve the desired level of browning. Most pizza ovens allow you to adjust the flame size or have variable heat settings. This flexibility is important because it gives you the control you need to change cooking conditions for the pizza. The size of the flame in a pizza oven affects the intensity and distribution of heat, which will also influence the cooking process and the necessity to turn the pizza. Understand how flame size or heat levels interact with your pizza oven. Adjust the turning frequency based on the flame size. In a small oven, turning the pizza may be more critical, especially if there are differences in heat levels or if the oven has a single heating element. Turning helps ensure relatively equal exposure to heat, promoting even cooking. Pizza ovens that use fans to circulate hot air, like electric ovens, result in more even heat distribution, and they are particularly effective for no-turn pizzas or one-turn pizza cooks, as they help achieve crispy crusts and evenly cooked toppings. Ovens that use a fan are the Volt 12 and the Ninja 8-in-1 outdoor oven, and they are both electric ovens. Low heat ovens below 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius, are suitable for slower cooking, but turning the pizza is still required to prevent uneven cooking and to ensure that both sides of the crust brown evenly. The longer baking time in a low heat oven increases the risk of one side becoming overcooked if not turned regularly. In summary, the heat of the oven directly influences the cooking process and the need to turn. Understand how oven heat interacts with your pizza dough and toppings. Adjust the turning frequency based on the oven heat, size and type, and this will ensure your pizza cooks evenly to achieve those delicious results. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!